Hey guys, good evening. I'm starting my fitness journey. So, for a healthy late night snack, I'm eating raw fruits and veggies. The three C's: baby cucumbers, my carrots, shredded carrots, and cherries. I also have some Hidden Valley garlic and ranch dipping sauce, which is chef's kiss. Benefits of cucumbers and carrots are that they're high in antioxidants, they're good for the eyes, for your digestive system, your skin. Cherries are high in fiber. They also have a natural melatonin, and it helps you sleep. Thanks for watching.